Hi, my name's Gulliver. I'm 23 years old. I'm just looking for someone special to, hold me at night, close, and maybe.
We're not doing whole interviews here, mate. I was just about to ask you the first question. This is Gullivers Cars.
Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honour to introduce Gulliver, aka Gully, aka G Unit, aka the G Spot. Can you please tell the audience who you are and how Gullivers Cars came about and why you decided to start Gullivers Cars?
Yes, my name is Gulliver. I'm 40 years old. I decided to start Gullivers Cars because I wanted to open a car yard with a difference. I wanted to be a new generation of car dealer that focuses on customer service as well as great quality stock and finance, and have a whole lot of fun while we're doing it.
Cool. It does seem like you've got some pretty special staff that do work for you here at Gullivers Cars. It seems very family orientated. Can you briefly describe the individuals that do work for you here at Gullivers Cars?
Yes, absolutely. So first of all, we've got my number one salesman, absolute superstar. He's a gun. He's a fantastic bloke inside the office and outside as well. Cesar Rodriguez. I've known him for a long time. He's efficient, he's on time, he knows exactly how to handle all customer inquiries. Customers love him, and he's just a top bloke, and man, can he dance as well.
Yeah, great. Does anybody else work for you?
Yes, there's Ryan. Now, Ryan is brilliant. He does all the jobs that absolutely nobody else wants to do or can do. Whether it's fixing little bits of cars, answering the phones, doing all the advertising, taking all the photos, looking after some of the paperwork, whatever is too hard for anybody else to do, we give to Ryan and he gets it done. We've also got Will. Will is our yardie. Brilliant yardie. Absolutely spectacular. Keeps the cars immaculate inside and out. He's on time, he's efficient, and a fantastic singing voice. We've got Layla, our admin manager. She is efficient, she's fantastic with all of our customer inquiries and customer support as well. Been in the industry a long time, and we're very grateful to have her on the team.
No one else works for you, mate?
We do have a work experience kid. We've taken him on board. Look, Jared is his name. He's a bit of a handful. He causes me a little bit of stress, but he's special. So apart from locking keys in cars, crashing cars outside, crashing cars inside the yard, losing keys, he's often late. But we do love him, and look, he's trying, and we told his mum and dad that we'll do our best for him. So,
bit of an inaccurate description there, but moving on to the specifics of what Gullivers Cars can do for people out there. Do you offer finance, and can anybody apply?
Yes, anybody can apply. We specialise in finance. We specialise in finance for people with defaults on the pension, settling payments, self-employed with no figures, all the sticky situations. We have access to over 30 different lenders, so we can get brilliant rates and packages available, but we can get people approved that nobody else can. We've got private lenders on board that work exclusively to us, and a couple of other lenders that will help us get approved that others can't. So even if you've been knocked back multiple times, don't be shy, give it a crack, and we'll get you over the line.
Yeah, beautiful. I mean, what does, in the great scheme of things, what does separate the Gullivers Cars from every other car yard out there?
Only one thing. Every other car yard sells cars. Every car yard has finance, but service is the one thing that separates Gullivers Cars from anybody else. We were determined when we opened this business that we were going to change the industry. We want to be at the forefront of that change. It's long overdue. People deserve a change. People deserve to be treated, properly and enjoy the whole experience of buying a car, not feel pressured into it, not feel anxious or anything else. So we go above and beyond for our customers before the sale, during, and most importantly after the sale. That's why people keep on coming back. That's why we've got fantastic reviews, and that's why people send their friends and family, because we do treat people with a difference, and we love what we do and have plenty of fun doing it.
Awesome. Well, in closing, what is the future for Gullivers Cars? Any plans?
Yes, we want to open multiple locations all across Australia. We want to open Gulliver's Finance as well, so we do our own finance, our own insurance, our own rentals, multiple locations, and then move over to Bahamas and sip cocktails and in a hammock and live happily ever after.
Excellent, mate. Well, great interview. And
Thanks, what was your name?
yeah, Jared, your number one salesman.
Cut.